You're happily building your app when suddenly this. Some text shows up with a yellow double underline and it's red. Why? The root cause is that some widgets need a friend. They need another widget to tell them how they should look. Text is one of those widgets. Text searches up the widget tree to see if there's a default text style widget somewhere. And then the text widget takes the default style and either uses it as is or replaces some of the values with something custom. You can also prevent text from inheriting the default text style, but that's rarely done, so we're not talking about that. So why don't you see yellow underlines everywhere? For example, why doesn't it happen when you have a minimal app like this? Well, it's because there's a hidden default text style. It's concealing itself in scaffold. Now remember, scaffold is a widget that provides scaffolding for pages in your app. It lets you easily add things like app bars, drawers, bottom sheets, and so on. It also puts a material widget as the parent of all that. And material has default text style in it. Told you it's hidden. The end result is that text almost always finds default text style, and so you almost never see the yellow underlines. So when do you see them? Well, for example, when you create a page and forget to use the scaffold widget, or when you consciously decide not to use the scaffold widget, when you show a dialog and forget to use the dialog widget, when you create a hero widget that only has the text widget in it. In all cases, the solution is to add default text style somewhere, anywhere above the text. You can add the default text style widget itself, or you can add it as part of the material widget or the scaffold widget or some other widget that contains the default text style. You can go from this to this with one widget. I hope this helped. See you next time.